Hey everybody, this is Chris with LLift Kits for Less. Today we're going to be talking about the 6.5-inch suspension lift kit for your 07 to 13 GM half tons 4x4s. Covers all the Silverados, all your Sierras. The 6.5 it gives you a full 6.5 inches. The cool thing about this, the wheel clear 35, 12.5, and there's a lot of options on the marketplace. So we're actually going to install this kit. We hope you find this helpful and useful. This isn't necessarily a step-by-step installation video, more of just a highlight of what this kit includes, how it's going to perform, and how it's going to work well with your truck. The highlight of this particular zone kit is the full valve strut. So what does that mean? So this is really the ride quality of your vehicle. This is what's going to determine how the ride is. So your Zone and a lot of other companies offer this identical kit or something close to this, but just simple strut spacer. It sits on top of your factory strut. The problem with that is, although it's less money and it's quick and easy, it really doesn't give you the ride quality that this aftermarket strut gives you. This is much beefier, and it's actually valved for the 35-inch tire. So if you're looking for really the ultimate quality ride, as close to factory as possible, this is going to be the direction you're going to want to go in. We've installed several of these here in our shop and have had nothing but rave reviews. So I would put this on my vehicle and I'd recommend it to anybody. Lots of options out there, but for the money right now, Zone is doing a great job. So that's your front strut. So fully valved strut for your, does require you to disassemble your factory strut, so it's a little more work involved. But in terms of overall ride quality gain, it's phenomenal. Okay, so real quick, some highlights of your kit. Obviously, you got the massive knuckle. This is about 6 inches longer than the factory knuckle. So this is where you gain all your height. You got a front and rear cross member. The lower cross member obviously drops your lower control arm, and then the new knuckle will span the difference. So your upper A arm, control arms are going to stay in the factory location. The lower control arm drops all the way down to accommodate the longer knuckle. Real quick, comes with the differential drops. Quite a bit of work involved with this kit. Don't want to mislead you, and to be honest, most all suspension kits require you to do some cutting. You're going to have to cut the existing cross members to get these cross members in, and then you're also going to have to do some trimming on your front differential to get the differential back in. So like I said, we've installed these kits, have had nothing but great luck with them. This does drop your differential all the way down, so the CV stay in a straight line, which is what you want. You want to be as close to the factory specs as possible. A couple more highlights here. Differential drops does come with a big old massive 1/4-inch skid plate, all right, for your front differential. Basically, this kit is identical to the two-wheel drive kit. The only difference is they take the skid plate out, right? Differential's not there, you don't need the skid plate. Comes with 2 cross member supports. These are the CV spacers to push the CVs out. Cast rear blocks, new U-bolts. They do have shock options in the rear. They offer hydro, nitro, and Fox. Standard with the Zone kits. Comes with all your hardware. Comes with everything you need. This is your front sway bar drop. Rear bump stop extensions. Basically, that covers the components of the kit. Like I said, we're going to throw this in. Got I think it's a 2012 half-ton Chevy. We're going to install this, so it should provide you with some good before and after photos. I'm excited to see how this turns out. The last key note about this kit, this does come in a weld-in plate. So when you cut the cross member to get in the new cross members, it lost the integrity, right? It lost it was all welded and closed and solid. I tell you what, this makes a huge difference in the stiffness of the front end. I've done some cheaper kits that customers bring me and say, hey, will you put this in? I'm like, yeah, we'll put it in. But that we cut those cross members and it really makes that front end sloppy. This goes back in, as you can see, it's about, what, 4x3, and it really tightens up the front end. So I love the feel of this kit once it's installed, okay? As always, we appreciate your time. If you like this video, we wish you'd give us a thumbs up. And like always, we always say here at LLift Kits for Less, you get more tech support, more customer service. Call us, tweet us, Facebook us. We're happy to help.